Thegia wa mawatho na mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni thirikari nene, thirikari cia kaunti ni ciarĩire mibango itiganite ya gutigirira andu ao matire ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu.
And you are better off without money, making a loss, but still alive and having another opportunity to run your business.
Kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ikiambiriria na kunyihia ikeno kuona guku ni kumwe gwa kuria gukoragwo na wingi wa andu ihinda-ini rimwe.
We have suspended all disco clubs and that is with immediate effect until further notice, until advised by the cabinet secretary or the head of the National Disaster Response Team.
Kaunti ino oho ni ithamitie imwe cia stage cia matatu kuma gatagati ga tauni ya Eldoret niguo kunyihanyihia muhatikano na kurigiriria ugwati wa gutambia murimu uyu.
We have our main stage that has been serving quite a number of routes, and we have the other stage, Trocadero, which has also been serving several routes. We have dispersed those matatus and buses to various places. Ngabana wa Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandagor ningĩ nĩoritie onjoria metheme kuongerera thogora wa indo ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ andu aingĩ marĩ na wagagu wa kunyiha kwa indo itiganite cia mahũthĩro matuka-inĩ. If you have stocks of these supplies, please release to the market, release to the citizens for purposes of protection. In the process, you will also be protecting yourself.
Akenya nĩ moritio mathie na mbere na kwigitira o ene na kurumirira mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni honge cia ugima wa mwiri kuona ici nocio njira iria iri kuo kwa ihinda riri cia kwirigiriria kunyitwo ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.